Okay, got something. Oh boy. Okay. I'll take this, whatever it is. Feels like a pike, but where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's a nice pike. It is a nice pike. It is a nice one. The question is, can I bring it in? Can I bring it in? Stay away from the motor. Tire this one out. It looks real solid. Let's come to the surface. Bring it back this way. Oh wow. I don't know if you can see that yet. It's gonna probably do another run. Start to see it. I expect this guy to go again. Wow. He's not ready yet. Not a guy that size. Man, the heart's racing. The heart is racing. Do I try to net this even with the bigger net? Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. The wind's pushing me to the shallow spots, but that is real thick looking fish. Oh, do I try to net him? He should fit. He should fit. Okay. Thank goodness I upgraded my net. Oh. Don't think he's ready yet. Wow, 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 look at that guy. He should fit. He should fit. But will he? Oh man. Come on in, baby. Come on in. Yeah, got him. Got him. Thank you, YakAttack leverage net, because this guy is a beast. Absolute beast. Oh man. Oh. Gotta let the drag out. Thank goodness for this net. It has a deeper basket. Gotta let some line go. We can stow this here maybe. No, need a little more slack. Almost lost you there. Oh wow. Look at this beast. Look at this guy. Wow. Let's see if I can grab him here. Yep, I got him. Got him, got him, got him. Question is gonna get his, oh, it's a nice hook set right in the corner. Oh wow, there it is. Look at this guy. Wow, can you see that? What a monster. Look at that. Look at this guy. I gotta give him away. Wow. I had one, I swear, a little bit bigger than this earlier. Over on the other side. I don't know if this is gonna hold. Let's see what we got. We should probably stand up. Where is it selling? 10 pounds? 10.6 pounds? I'll go with that. We'll go with that. One last look before I put him back. Man, this lake just produces monsters. 10 pounds. Okay, let's let him back in. Put him on the side. Revive him a bit. Actually, I'm gonna put him on the other side. Okay. Just gonna hold him against the boat. That guy, I can barely put my arms around him. Might take a while to revive him, but he'll definitely come back. Just turn him a bit. I need 2 hands to put around this guy. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous pike. I don't know if you can see that. He'll come back. There we go. I can barely just get around him. I'm just gonna hold his belly. There he goes. There he goes. Whew! Wow! Oh man! I swear, probably a 15-pounder earlier over on that side. This was a good, nice second. And just on a Berkley minnow on the drop shot. Wherever my weight went. Looks like I lost the weight. But that was worth it. All just on this guy right here. 10.6 pound pike. Okay. They're eating. Let's see if we can find another one.